Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. When s approaches to number 0, so I will put number 0 colon here and here. So this one we have 0, this one we have 0. So that is about 0 over 0. So we can use about L hospital. That means we need to do on first derivative on numerator and denominator. So if we do first derivative of this one, we have secant of sine s square multiplied by cosine s. This one we have number 1. So we put number 0 colon here and here. So we have 1 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.